Oh, hang on.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. And you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Today we're back to work on my Corvette. We just got done pulling Jay's engine and putting the frame back on. So that's going to be welded up here soon. And then now we're just going to be moving this to my house because I moved out. And all we really need to do is backtrack from when we took off the stuff to get it ready for the wheelhouse panel. And then it should be on the road. We have a flat tire, but we're going to fix that. And then so we're just going to be working, going to go for a drive, go for a stop, and we're just going to drive it.
So this will be the very first time driving this car on the main road. We already took my car on the main road and it was a little bit sketchy and we avoided all the cops. So we're gonna do the same thing. We'll have a car in front of us with the hazards on. We'll be going slow. We've got a flat tire, so we'll pump that up and it's gonna be go time.
As of now, the car should be ready to go. Pretty much everything is connected up here that we need just to run. We have our license plate, so we're just gonna get on the road. Granted that it will start. We haven't driven this in probably 3 months, maybe 2. So we're not 100% sure, but so far, so good. Seems thirsty, buddy.
Dude, what else can we put in for coolant?
Take one, we're gonna cycle the oil, but everything should be good.
Woo! Track mode. There you go.
Oh, hang on. Oh,
Dude. We forgot to connect something.
That sounded scary.
Hang on, Sarah. This is
Mom,
a bad
please get
moment.
out.
This is a bad moment. I got it all on video.
So we depressurized the system, got all the water out, and we forgot to put the dipstick in.
Dude, this might be good though. Look what it got out of there. I don't know what that is. This looks like just bubbles. Let's start cleaning, dude, before it gets heavy. What's supposed to
Now
do
it's
that?
gonna be TLJ, all hands on deck, getting this thing running, but we're taking it home tonight, no questions asked, and I'm not in a good mood, so let's just get to work.
Buddy, I know just what we need.
Oh,
Catch.
dude, I did buy extra oil.
Catch, buddy.
You're a genius.
Dude, that was insane. We forgot the dipstick. So that's what happened. We forgot the dipstick and it absolutely shot a stream of oil. Like, I'm not kidding, launched straight into the engine. Pretty sure I got it on tape. Let's look at this.
So most people will pull out a spark plug, put a pressure gauge in there, crank it over, and get their oil in, or get their oil pressure to see if their piston rings are destroyed. But turns out ours are all good, and we have good oil pressure.
Very good oil pressure.
Okay, it's just time to address the elephant in the room. The car hasn't been ran for a while. We dropped the oil tank and felt that it was empty, so we said, and I couldn't remember, so I was like, you know what? I think I changed the oil, but I seriously couldn't remember, so I said, dude, screw it. It's better to have more oil than not enough. So we started it up, and this thing completely filled to the top, shot out the top, obviously. So now we're just gonna check the dipstick. Right now, it's up to here, and we're just gonna take this plug out, wait for oil to fall, collect it, and then keep checking the dipstick, and then we'll be good. We're on the road. We don't care, and we already cleaned it up, so should be good.
Just a little bit. Won't be doing that again.
Just check it over and over again. Check it.
Getting lower.
Good.
This is it right here, buddy.
Think so? Well, we want to go to the bottom line because it's gonna be cold.
Take 2. Track mode.
And just like that, we're home. The car's barely put together, but it made it on the road. No issues. It just smoking a little bit. For now, the biggest thing with this car is that we need to get the wheelhouse panel. I actually ordered one, but it came as the wrong side. And to order a new one, it's about $1,000. So I'm trying to hold off trying to find a new one. But if anyone needs one, I do have one for sale for the driver's side. But yeah, that's just a quick update. The car's running perfect. It's a little bit more oily than we would want, but that's just kind of how you figure things out.
Yeah, I'm happy. It pretty much went smoother than we could ever ask for, so it's been good. Next step, get my frame welded. Then we're starting body work on both of the cars, and like Tucker said, brand new garage space, so we're gonna have plenty of panel room. Gonna be sanding over here, grinding over there, bondoing right here, and then drinking beer up there. TLJ, out.